Hi, we're John and Mary, and we've been full-time RVing for over a year now with our cat Tinkerbell. And if this is your first time joining us, please like and subscribe and check out some of our other videos. We think that we have a lot of information to offer, and we've been doing some pretty fun things. So
Yeah, check out our cool stuff with the trailer. Some not really tragic, but definitely pushes some buttons. So
yeah, we've had some pretty horrific things happen to us with the camper, and we finally got it back. So that's why we've been gone so long. So sorry we haven't been posting the last couple of weeks, but camper's been in the shop for over 2 weeks, and we'll show that video.
Now.
Huh?
It looks beautiful now.
Yes, it does look beautiful, but yeah, we'll share that with you in a later video of all of that. But we'll put a description, the link in the description of the last video to show you what happened. So if you haven't seen that, go check that one out. You'll see what happened. You'll see all the damage that was done, and then in a later video we will probably cover that all again, show you all the new stuff and how nice it looks, and who fixed it. NorCal RV, they're the greatest right now in our eyes. So yeah, please follow us along, like and subscribe. I'm gonna go on a train ride today. Downtown Sacramento.
At the Railroad Museum.
The Railroad Museum.
I think it's Old Town Sacramento, actually.
Oh yes, sorry.
Old Town.
Correction, Old Town. We're gonna go on a train ride.
Yay.
We're gonna go on a train ride today.
And we're going to go to the Railroad Museum. Don't crash.
Still fun?
Look at the wooden sidewalks. This way, guys. Oh. Oh. Old Town Sacramento, spanning 28 acres along Sacramento's historic waterfront, has witnessed both tragedy and triumph. Tragically, it was the site of a devastating fire and catastrophic flooding. Remarkably, it also saw significant achievements, including the construction of streets, the establishment of the Transcontinental Railroad, and the terminus of the Pony Express. This is Pioneer Square. It features a sunken brick courtyard showing the city's original 1850s street level 14 feet below. Pretty cool place. Does it look like it's going into a tunnel?
We're doing the scavenger hunt. We're here at the front of the train, number 2.
Okay.
We have to find one of these and put a number 2 in whichever one is here. So I'm looking here. What do you think looks?
It's that, or that. This looks like it'd be on the train.
Yeah.
Well, I see that circle with the 1 in it.
And that one's got a star.
This one's got a star. It's not that. It could be this over here, maybe. I don't see this tunnel behind us.
Right.
More to come.
The California State Railroad Museum boasts an impressive collection of 21 restored locomotives and rail cars, along with an abundance of interactive exhibits and an impressive model train section.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah, we went there for Father's Day.
Was
And that
it?
tunnel is right there. Right through there. You can walk through it now. Pretty good exhibit. And that's Donner Lake right there. Virginia and Trucking Railroad and the Silver State Railroad. And they do special events here, such as junior proms and stuff, like my junior prom. Yeah. This whole thing's moving like it's really moving.
Do you think they're doing this on purpose?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Unless it's another earthquake here.
They're even making the noise.
These big things come down for sleeping compartments. Right here. See that?
Yeah, they
Or
show.
they used to anyway, huh?
They show one open up here.
Oh, okay.
Flashing red.
Because it's like we're going in a tunnel outside or something.
Hello, what are you looking for?
Number 7, sleeper car. Don't know.
You're looking for,
Is it the table?
that is the glass,
Seriously.
frosted glass over the lounge areas for the men and women. So when you look, when you get to the end, there's a women's lounge. Look, see what the glass looks like.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, wow. Look at the bed.
I love typewriters.
Oh, someone's sleeping. Look, he's got his underwear hanging up.
And his socks are hanging up there.
It's giving
And it's moving.
The wrong way.
It's like we're on a real train. Oh wait, we are. Well,
What you
it's not the Brady Bunch house, but
Brady Bunch?
Oh, I would like to put the brake light up. Okay, you can go right over here to the light bar.
outside is where the train cars turn around back in the day. Oh, there's the cook. Nice. It's a good sized kitchen. And another hallway.
Really?
Look at this. Places. So, Chicago, Milwaukee. That's different place settings. Great Northern place setting.
Those little things, though.
Kind of fitting. Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railroad place setting. Pretty cool. The Arizona thing there. And that's what they mean by the dinner bell. They let this guy stay in the box. They won't let him out. Three distinctive rail types. 1870, 1900, and 1930. Kind of interesting how they do that. It's like they're working on the railroad. Weighing an impressive 1 million pounds, the cab-forward design of this locomotive was a crucial safety feature for the crews operating it through the lengthy tunnels of the Sierra Mountains. In such environments, having the smokestack positioned in front of the train would require the crew to inhale all the smoke. Hold 6,100 gallons of oil and 22,000 gallons of water for a total weight of 393,300 pounds. The Golden Spike, Unity of Country. And here's the actual Golden Spike. I wonder if they actually drove it into the ground. Doesn't look like anybody hit it with a hammer. Still important in the history of the railroad.
Wow, very cool.
As you can see, a lot.
Over this.
Wow. We were down there and didn't even know that there was a train up here. Oh. And if you notice that the spinny thing outside brings the trains in on these tracks.
Hey, now we're really on the bridge.
Because I can't just carry them in.
The bridge of the museum?
This would be the bridge. Yep.
Tracks.
That's
Were
cool.
you guys allowed up here during your...
Huge train, model train collection. The bridge?
I think it was because it was like...
This room is crazy. Look at all these trains. Man, what a collection.
Oh, here comes one. Wow. I don't get any kind of a glare.
Wow, you got a great phone. I'm putting this against the wall. The train stopped. Oh, there's a balloon going
Balloon
up.
going up. Oh, that's pretty cool.
It is. Oh, here comes another train. Oh, coming out.
It's gold. Oh, it stopped.
Oh, here comes,
Oh, here comes
on the
another
left.
one. Wonder why the one up top stopped. Letting people on? Oh,
Yeah.
oh, look at the arms. Arms switched. He had a green light going into the tunnel and then it turned. Oh, one up top.
Oh, it's another one.
That's so cool up there. Oh.
Cool toys. Build yourself a Zeppelin. Learn about electricity. Early boats. Looks like a kind of a sub too. This is the actual Thomas the Tank Train, the Sacramento version. Another Sacramento waterfront. Nice. So we're riding in coach, and I hear there's hay on the floor. So we can really feel like we're getting the full experience. You have to sit on the floor with some homeless guys.
For safety reasons, please remain seated while the train is in motion. Keep hands and arms inside the train at all times and do not lean on the window. Remember,
Sacramento Capitol.
Welcome aboard. The car you're riding in was built in 1921.
California State Railroad Museum, which is part of the Sacramento State Park System.
Where the conductor sits.
There's There's the Tower Bridge. Old Town Sac. Pretty cool.
Store is crazy. I gotta film some of this candy.
Okay. It was not $80. 115.
What was the total?
115 and 96 cents.
Round Table Pizza downstairs in Old Town Sacramento. Pretty cool place.
That's it.
It is. It tastes just like it, doesn't it?
Well, that's odd. Okay. It's got that toasted coconut.
Coconut.
Chemically smell.
That's the flavor.
You say it tastes like a chicken stick. Are you telling the truth?
I am telling the truth. Just try it.
I think chicken stick has some coconut in it.
Yes, that's what we just discovered.
Yeah. Okay.
Mad Hatter Donuts. Down
best.
Old Town Sac. Yep. Come on down. Oh yeah. Yummy.
Great.
Really good.